Happy New Year, traders. Hope everyone is doing amazing to start off this year. Today, we're going to be looking at closing the loop from the past year, set off fresh for the new year ahead. If you haven't yet done an exercise to see where you were last year at this time and what all you've learned in the process, this is the time to do it. So let's dive in. Hello again, traders. Thank you for joining the MTM team today and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. I'm Ftse, a trader coach here at Mastered Markets. So let's dive into the market update. But before we do, closing the loop on 2021. It's a very important one. This video is a very important one to help you create a breakthrough year. What do I mean by closing the loop? I know it's the new year and many of us are energized, or at least we were, to start off with New Year resolutions and goals. But by the time March or April comes around, or maybe even by the end of this month, how many of us go back to our old ways and habits? It's something that we know has happened far too often. And there's definitely some ways to help overcome this. Today, I will talk about one way, closing the loop on the past. What exactly do I mean by this? All it is that I'll share some questions and I ask that you take some time to reflect on them and ideally write them down so you can put your thoughts on paper. Really take some time to think on these. And if you don't come up with an answer immediately, I'd suggest you give that task to your subconscious before you sleep over the next few days. You'll probably be surprised at the quality and depth of the answers you might come up with for yourself that really resonates with you. If you do this exercise with us, please do feel free to share them in the comments below. We'd love to see them. Hey, so without much ado, what are the questions? Question number 1. Who was I last January? Was I last January? Question number 2 relates to that. And who am I now? Who am I now? Feel free to describe yourself last January and right now any way you can, using adjectives or using specific ways that you might deal with situations, any way you feel comfortable. Next, what happened in the last 12 months? What all happened in the last 12 months? What all did I learn? What was everything that I learned in the last 12 months? This is a crucial question. What am I still holding on to from 2021 that is still taking up space? What am I holding on to that is still taking up space? Question 6. What old beliefs and feelings that don't serve me have I given up? What are the old beliefs and feelings that don't serve me that I have given up? What will there be room for when I let that go? Big question. What am I making space for? Next, which areas in my life do I want to experience a breakthrough? These are areas like health, your career, your finances, your relationships, personal development, anything like that. So which specific areas of your life do you want to experience a breakthrough? What would experiencing a breakthrough mean for me? What would it mean for those around me? What would it mean for me? What would it mean for those around me? Take a moment, answer these questions for yourself. See if you're surprised by any of your answers. You might notice that you had a lot more to be proud of accomplishing and growing into last year. At the very least, this will help clear the clutter and help you start off this year with a much needed blank slate. I hope that was useful. I hope all of you have a breakthrough year this year.
If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone.
Before we dive into the market update, if you haven't already, remember to take our quiz to get a better understanding of your trading personality type. As always, we'd love to talk with you to see how we can help you reach your trading and financial goals more effectively this year. All right, so on to the market update. All right, so starting off with Euro USD, we're still on trend from the end of November. No top has been confirmed yet. So as of now, no trade as of yet of Euro USD. On the dollar franc, we filled 3 short trades this week. One at 91.7, so right here, 91.27, and the ISL at 92.82 with a trailing stop loss as well. So we're going to be taking a look at how we close out that dollar franc trade. Pound dollar, bottom to top move, strong. Hitting some potential resistance though from October of last year. So keeping a close eye on how the pound dollar will do. Next, dollar yen. Top to bottom move now, hitting some potential support here at the 113.3 level. Closed a short trade for a small loss this week on the dollar yen. Aussie dollar. We also closed a short trade for a loss this week on this instrument, but we also entered a couple, including we closed one going long for a small gain on the Aussie dollar. So it was a good instrument for us this week as far as frequency of entering goes. Euro yen, with some resistance here, and a top was confirmed earlier in the year, in the month, but it's as of yet on the euro yen. Some OE going down here, but we're looking for short opportunities, but no trade as of yet. The Ftse, all-time highs with the recent volatility in the news, recent volatility into the beginning of this year. No trades as of yet on the Ftse. On the Dow Jones, US index, close to all-time highs, which we did hit earlier this month. Built a long trade at 36,170, and we closed a short trade for a 0.5% profit. So going both long and short as per our triggers in our strategies. Coffee, we backed off from highs that we have not seen since 2011. Good OE to the downside, but still no trades as of yet for coffee. Next, moving to oil, looking strong, higher highs and higher lows, running into some resistance areas here. So let's see how that goes. Gold, gold now, range bound, although we do have some higher lows. No trades as of yet for gold. Silver, very similar to gold, but we did fill a long trade at 22.76. We closed another one at 22.86 for a small gain. But that's it for the market update for the week ending January 14th. We bring up the trade performance for our trade rooms this week.
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below.
For the live trade room, we finished with a small gain, 1.06, and then for the elite room, only one strategy yielded an entry for the primary runners, and for that we were stopped out. So overall, for both our trade rooms, a slight gain of 0.06% if we were able to take the trade that we took. So that's it for the update for this week. Thank you all for tuning in. Remember, traders, as we say here at Master the Markets, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.